Landon Pryor, Transformations Plastic Surgery. I've discovered that I kind of mumble a little bit, so I'm going to start speaking more clearly and loudly. And today's kind of a video day, so we're going to make another video. This isn't live, but this isn't a procedure that we would always take, but we kind of have time today, so we'll just do it. And our patient's being kind enough to let us videotape her. She actually has a MOHS defect, M-O-H-S. It's a type of procedure that the skin cancer doctors use. She had a skin cancer that was taken off a basal cell, so now she has this defect there. We're going to use basically what's called a tissue transfer, or like a nasolabial type of flap. So borrow tissue from her cheek here to fill that in. So we'll kind of show you how we do that. So initially we'll just numb it up, and then I'll show you how we raise it and sew it in. Are you ready?
No.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna get started. So actually first I'm gonna do a little bit of a nerve block because I think that'll be helpful for her. Tell her how much fun you're having.
Lots. That's the company.
You're in good company?
Yep.
What else did you be doing today?
Playing cards.
This is better. So we'll give this a few minutes for the epinephrine to kick in so she doesn't bleed, and for the local anesthesia, and then we'll be back in a second. Okay, so we just raise this up. So we got it raised up. Now we're just gonna plop it in. So this is 5/0 fast absorbing catgut suture, leave it tail. So she won't have to come, I mean, we'll have her come back anyway, but we won't have to be taking stitches out, which is good for her.
Don't attempt this on your
I have a boyfriend.
You have a boyfriend?
He's 102.
Really?
Yes, his birthday.
Wow.
He was on TV last night at his birthday party.
Oh,
Really?
Wow.
He likes younger women, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That's so cute.
He is cute.
Amazing how it always just turns out to be exactly the right size. And there you have it, nasolabial flap for basal cell MOHS defect. And once this heals, you probably wouldn't even see that she had anything done. So she can get back to her active lifestyle with her 102-year-old boyfriend.
Playing pinochle.
Playing pinochle.